Please don't kill me. I can draw you something. I could draw you a picture of a tree, maybe. Just don't kill me, please. I have pastel children, little pastel children. Please, no.
Warning. Several art supplies were injured during the making of this film. Hello again. Nick with CC Minis here. I got a really fun, short video for you here. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my own DIY weathering pigments out of these chalk pastels. This is the process that I did to make the weathering powders that I used in my watercolor and gouache video. If you haven't seen that video yet, give it a watch after this. It's pretty fun. Anyway, chalk pastels, or soft pastels as some call them. Not oil pastels though, or you're gonna make a big old mess. They are basically these little compressed sticks that are pure pigment. Alright, let's take a look inside. Yeah, basically little color sticks. Don't let the name pastels fool you. Some of these colors are super saturated. If you are going to follow along at home, I strongly recommend wearing a mask and safety glasses. Breathing in any sort of pigments is generally a bad idea. So is getting hit in the eye with some fragmentation. Alright, I'm gonna give these a sec to wake up. Sometimes you need to give them a good little roll. There we go. How you doing down there, little guy?
Oh, I'm a little cranman. Just a happy man cran. Oh, what a happy day to be a cranman.
Alright, so all we need to do to turn this little cutie into weathering powder is have a questionable moral conscience and a hammer.
My leg! My leg!
Please, no! Ah! Why me? Oh God, please, no, please!
I'm gonna be sick.
Well, that was fun. Probably a little too fun. Big thank yous to Bill Making Stuff and Karl Makes Things. If you haven't checked out their channels, you really should. Karl does these really awesome Warhammer painting tutorials, and Bill makes some crazy stuff on his channel. Check them both out, they're great. And of course, thanks to Derek, Alex, Danielle, Matt, and Justin for providing me with some screams. Couldn't have done this without you guys. Thank you so much. If you liked it, subscribe to see more crazy stuff like this in the future. As always, stay healthy and take care. Bye now.